is Rob Wires at the IFT in Las Vegas, and I'm here with David Thorrold from Biovittoria, and which is a supplier of monk fruit. And McNeil is going to launch a new product called Nectress shortly, containing monk fruit, which will be the first mainstream product. Can you tell me a little bit about this launch and what this means for the potential for this ingredient?
Yeah, sure. The product that McNeil are launching is Nectress. It's a tabletop product. It's a 100% natural sweetener, and it is sweetened with monk fruit. So the featured ingredient in Nectress is monk fruit. It's where most of the sweetness comes from, and it's very important for us because it's a launch of a product into the tabletop space by a major food and beverage company. So what this is going to do is it's going to dramatically increase consumer awareness of monk fruit in particular, and it's also going to give consumers the opportunity to experience monk fruit for themselves in their homes, to be able to really understand the monk fruit value proposition and what the benefits that they're able to get from that, and gives them a chance to then understand what monk fruit can do, and then drives monk fruit ingredient use through other channels as well.
Because monk fruit was only relatively recently approved in the US, as far as I understand, not approved.
Relatively recent, yes. So the FDA approval was granted in January 2010. So yes, a relatively recent
When do you expect approval in Europe?
Europe will be, we hope, within the next 2 to 3 years.
Okay, and in the US, what's your sense also at the IFT about what will be kind of the early applications of this ingredient?
I think where we're seeing it being used is in particular in juice and in dairy. So for different reasons, monk fruit is very appealing ingredient for those applications. In juice, because monk fruit is a fruit ingredient, it's a very natural fit in terms of the label, in terms of the consumer proposition in juice. In dairy products, again, fruit and yogurt is very readily acceptable to the consumer, but also the technical performance of monk fruit is very good in milk. So you get a lot of sweetness in milk from monk fruit, and the taste profile works very well also.
And of course this comes amidst the trend towards looking for more pure and natural kind of products and ingredients such as stevia also, and what is the potential for combining monk fruit with stevia?
We're seeing a lot of people doing work with a blend of monk fruit and stevia, so that's something that certainly is being looked at. It really depends on how you're positioning your product, how much sugar you want to remove, what you need the taste profile to be, but in some applications there are some benefits in blending with stevia, yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.